pressure to think deeper because I don't really like to think deeper before. And I was just okay. But the real focus isn't the tools, it's about the methodologies, but the power. For over a year now, I've been learning tech from live courses and building myself step by step. But at this point, I realized I was missing something: real random guidance, real labs, real structure. So I decided to think this further last year in November 2025. So I enrolled for physical cybersecurity training, and in this video, I'm going to show you what that transition looks like, the Linux project I'm working on, and how my learning has changed drastically. What's up everyone, I'm Jonathan. I've been in tech for a while over time and even shaped out my journey doing it. So recently I made the decision to move from online learning to physical cybersecurity training. So here is why I choose physical training. Online courses gave me strong foundation, networking, Linux basics, security concepts. But physical classes added something different, added a layer of spice in it, if you mean. Physical classes added real-time mentorship, guided projects, pressure to think deeper because I don't really like to think deeper before. And I was just okay. Accountability, and I know it's less about watching video and more about solving problems. Most of the work I do now revolves around structured lab environments. A typical project involve service analysis, vulnerability identification, exploitation in safe environment, understanding privilege installation path, reconnaissance and enumeration, and so on. Tools like Nmap, troubleshoot, Metasecurity, Telnet, Linux utilities are part of the workflow. But the real focus isn't the tools, it's about the methodologies, but the power. Now here is what changed in my learning. One major shift is mindset. Before I focused on what tools can do this, but now I focus on how the system works, why the vulnerability exists, and how it could be prevented. That change alone has improved my understanding massively. Now here is the reality of cybersecurity training. Cybersecurity is not flashy as you think. You feel me? Some days you scan and find nothing. Some exploit fails completely. Some labs even takes hours than expected. But the process is exactly what builds skills. So why am I sharing this content? I've been creating content here on YouTube for over a long time, and this stage of my learning felt worth documenting, not as a beginner story but as a growth from online learning to structured view what cybersecurity goal. So yeah, that's a look on my Linux project, and sorry, I forgot what to say. And hands-on experience training. Please like, subscribe for practical tech insights, and let me know your thoughts or experience in the comment section. But as usual, have the process already, and peace. A typical project, a typical project, a typical, a typical. That change alone has improved my main. A typical